Hi everyone, I'm Helen Panza and I'm your instructor for BUS145 Business Communications. We're going to have fun for the next 8 weeks learning how to communicate better, especially in a business environment. The course begins on the 24th of April. Get into class early, get started on your Learn-Its. As usual, at Bryan University, the courses here consist of Learn-Its, assignments, live sessions, and your book. We also have Yellow Dig, which encourages free thinking and exploring topics not covered in your book or in the Learn-Its. We'll be doing a lot of exploring of different ways to communicate. In our live sessions, you'll be the ones doing the talking. We'll have exercises to help improve your communication skills, your verbal communication skills. Our first live session will be held on Tuesday, April 25th. Is that right? Yes. April 25th. There will only be one session offered that day. It'll be the morning session, and that's at 8 a.m. Pacific time. Try to attend. Making up the live sessions is a little trickier for this course. You'll have to record yourself doing the exercise we do during the live session to improve your speaking ability. I look forward to seeing you all there. It's going to be a fun 8 weeks. Get some rest and hit the ground running on April 24th. See you then.